Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to go from these nails to these nails. So to get started, I have my nail polish off. I'm starting with clean nails, and if you wanted to file your nails, this is the time to do it. File in one direction. Also, if you need to file down ridges on your nails or anything like that, now's the time to do it. And I've already done this prior to share the steps with you that I would take if I needed to do these things. Once I would have them buffed, now it's time to go in and remove cuticles. So this Be Pure Cuticle Remover, all these products can be found at the Dollar Tree, by the way. A metal cuticle pusher. Use any cuticle pusher you have. I'll start by applying the cuticle remover to my cuticle area. I will go in and spread the cuticle remover around the cuticle area and the sides of the nail. This is going to help a lot with that dry skin. I'll let this sit for a couple minutes, and then I'm going to take my cuticle pusher, push back the cuticles very gently. Once I have them pushed back, I will go in and turn my cuticle tool to the side and gently scrape off any excess remaining dead skin. Removing your cuticles will help with the dry excess skin around your nails. It'll help your nails look healthier, and it will promote more nail growth, taking care of this area on your nails. But look how much better the cuticles looks after you remove the product. You want to wash your hands. If you want to stop here and don't do nail polish, use your cuticle oil. I use the Be Pure Mango cuticle oil from Dollar Tree and the Dermasil hand cuticle cream for my hands. So continue on with my nail care. So I use the LA Colors Mega Grow on my nails, and this actually does help to grow your nails. I have tested this out and used this for years. So I apply a layer of the Mega Grow onto the nails, and you will see that every single time I do the nail, apply it, I will cap my free edge. This is very important if you're natural nails. This will add strength and protection to the nail. Always cap your free edge, and in between every polish I use, I give it time to dry and move on to the next. So next is from Diamond Cosmetics, and this is the Miracle Nail, and this is a nail hardener. I don't use nail hardeners all the time. Sometimes I switch over to strengtheners, but right now I am using a hardener, and over time these can be damaging to your nails. They will harden too much, they will cause breaking. A strengthener will strengthen your nails. You'll still have flexibility in your nail, so when you ding it on stuff, it most likely is not going to break, versus the hardener. And if you're just doing regular nails and you're not that into nail care and nail art kind of stuff, I would just leave it at that and maybe just apply a base coat and then your polish. But I do use the LA Colors base coat and top coat. I don't like this as a top coat, but I love it as a base coat. It gives my nails something to adhere to, so once the treatments are applied, then I apply the base coat for the polish to grab onto. And once again, you're going to see me start applying that to the base, up to the tip of the nail, and capping my free edge. There is lots of benefits to falling into a nail care routine, especially if you like having your natural nails and want to keep them in good shape. I'm going to go in with my nail polish that I'm going to use, and I'm using China Glaze for Aubrey nail polish. Fun fact, this was my very first China Glaze nail polish. It's all this color to the base of my nail all the way to the tip, capping the free edge every single time. I will take a little bit more extra time capping the free edge with my nail polish. Once again, this is going to provide more strength and protection for your nail. This shade is so beautiful. You're also going to see me bring in an orange stick, but I'm just taking some of the excess polish off of my skin. And I'm kind of painting these hastily. I never try to be perfect with it, but you do want to try to do your polish in 3 strokes, salon wise. I'm a little bit messy. And I added a glitter on top of that, which is a Wet n Wild Kaleidoscope glitter, after applying 2 coats for Aubrey. Once my nails have had plenty of time to dry, I'm going to be applying the Diamond Cosmetics Super Dry Quick Dry Top Coat. This top coat is amazing. It dries quickly, number 1. Number 2, it's thick. And number 3, my manicure lasts days, even a week. without chipping, without peeling, without having any issues. The only thing is I might have a little bit of wear on the tip of the nail from doing dishes. I'm going to go in and start cleaning up. This is also optional. I'm using a brush and acetone. You can use regular nail polish and a Q-tip if you choose. But just cleaning up the cuticle area will make this manicure look more professional. Now is when I'm going to apply my cuticle oil. Once again, it's the Be Pure Mango Cuticle Oil from Dollar Tree. This stuff's amazing. It smells amazing. It works amazing. So you want to apply that, rub it in, and allow it to sink into the skin. Now once I have my cuticle oil and it's had plenty of time to sink into the skin, I'm going to be using a hand cream. This is the Dermasil Hand Cuticle Cream. It has shea butter, coconut oil. This is fantastic. It smells good. It's thick and creamy. It works fantastic. I love this hand cream. It's my favorite one I've found so far at the Dollar Tree. And I couldn't find it again when I went back, so I thought I would give you guys an option that you can find at the Dollar Tree that works just as good. And it's the Dermasil dry skin treatment, and it works on even severe dry skin. It says it's thick and creamy. I prefer the other scent better, but I have been using this lotion even on my feet, and it's fantastic. Works wonders. So I know that it will work very well on the hands, and that's an option if you can't find that hand cuticle cream. I definitely recommend getting in the habit of oiling your cuticles and doing hand cream every single night. Supposedly it takes 30 days to form a habit, so that's how you're going to combat the dry skin, forming that habit. Now we went from these haggard looking nails to these beautiful polished nails. I hope you enjoyed the video, found it helpful. And if you have any other comments or questions regarding nail and hand care, leave them in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional links.